Introducing the DreamWave Pro, a revolutionary massage chair for total relaxation. With 20 automatic programs like Total Relax, Neck and Shoulder Care, and Back Spa, you'll find the perfect massage. Or personalize your massage with manual options, crafted with premium materials, full body scan, with 4D massage technology with adjustable intensity for true muscle relief. Plus, the SL track ensures your entire body, from neck to lower back, gets the attention it deserves. It has auto leg extension with health detection pin. It helps detect your body health and reveal you the real-time data of heart rate, blood oxygen, and microcirculation. Airbag massage, shoulder airbags, waist airbags, hands airbags, calf kneading and leg airbags. Improves foot flexibility with foot roller massage. The zero gravity feature makes you feel light. It has heat therapy and additional features. Your perfect relaxation companion.